got? What we got? Little black drum look like first fish of the day. Here we go. Oh, is that a sheep? I don't know. Oh, that's a black drum. Here you go, people. See what we got. Man, cold Texas morning. I got more than enough going on with rods, but I didn't feel like tying on, being that I would have cold hands so many times. Let's see what she do. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. There you go. Yep, she make it. She get to go home. Perfect for the frying pan. All right, y'all. Hopefully we finna get on a good bite today, man. Last day before we return to work from vacation. So hopefully we can get them. Hopefully we can get them for y'all. Another little black drum. I think this one gonna be underside, and the boat probably just spooked the rest of them right there. Man, they holding pretty close to the boat. Let's just see. Quick measurement. I don't think he gonna make the cut. Or a little kayak with a motor on it. Outboard, he got a big outboard than me. We got a skiff. That may be a skiff. Let's see. Nope. Just under 13 and a half with a pinch tail. We'll get this one bite. Here we go. Alright, y'all. Might have found a few fish today, baby. Let's go. Letting it drift right now, man. Another black drum. I found a little black drum hole. These perfect sizes. Come on, get in here. Hey. Get your buddy in here. There you go. Let's get this lure in real quick. So per usual, as soon as you try and do something else, when they come alive. So slow down for a few seconds. I say, let me go pick this other rod up, and turn back around. My popping cork was missing. Y'all know how that go. That's how they do it. see what we got here. Will you make the cut? Will you make the cut? Hey, flatten it out. Flatten it out. He must know he gonna make the cut. Yep. He trying to buck. See if we can do this without falling out the boat, people. I remember the last scenario with the stringer. Well, some people so inconsiderate. Just blow it through the spot that I'm fishing. And another. They mad cause they ain't catching fish, I guess. And I am.